Never steal from a babalawo in a Yoruba village, because that's how Kolede lost everything he touched. This young trader thought he was clever. He stole sacred cowrie shells from the village's most powerful babalawo to impress a wealthy merchant. When the babalawo discovered the theft, he didn't scream. He didn't curse. He just smiled and said, "The shells will find their way home." Kolade laughed it off. Big mistake. Day 1, his crops turned to ash. Day 2, his money crumbled in his hands. Day 3, even his reflection disappeared from water. By day 7, everything Kolade touched died. The babalawo didn't curse him directly. The ancestral spirits did it themselves. Desperate, Kolade crawled back, begging forgiveness. The babalawo looked at him and said, "The shells chose their punishment. I am just their keeper." That day, the village learned, sacred objects protect themselves, and ancestors never forget disrespect. Some boundaries should never be crossed.